Yo, what is up guys, Jamie here from Byte. So I've been using the new DJI Osmo Mobile 2 for a while now, and I'll be honest with you, I think this is the best, or at least one of the best, bang for your buck smartphone gimbals on the market right now. This gimbal currently retails for about $130 in the US or about $170 in Canada, and it packs a lot of features that can take your smartphone videography to a whole nother level. But before we get into the features and everything, let's unbox this bad boy. So out of the box, you'll find that the gimbal comes with a hard styrofoam case. It's not the best case in the world, and I wish DJI had chose something different, but it gets the job done, and at the end of the day, that's what really matters. When you open up the case, you're presented with the Osmo Mobile 2 and a USB to micro USB cable. Keep in mind that the gimbal doesn't come charged out of the box, so you have to charge it with the micro USB cable provided. Honestly, I was hoping for a USB-C port, but at this price point, you really can't complain. Fully charging the gimbal only took me about 2 hours, and as far as the battery life goes, DJI claims that a full charge will last you about 15 hours. And from my experience, I was able to get by filming for a few hours every day for almost a week without having to charge it. So this is really good news for all you vloggers out there. Now, one of my favorite features about this gimbal is that it has a built-in USB port at the back that allows power to be drawn from its battery. This essentially turns the gimbal into a power bank, so if you ever run out of battery on your phone, you can use this to charge it. Keep in mind that the battery is rated at 2600 milliamp hours, so you'll only be able to charge your phone once or twice before the gimbal runs out of battery. When you pick up the gimbal, you can really feel that DJI has cut costs by building the gimbal from plastic, but surprisingly, it feels pretty solid and ergonomic in the hand. Also, since it's made of plastic, it's relatively lightweight, and it doesn't feel like a workout to carry around all day. DJI does have an app called DJI Go that can pair your phone to the gimbal through Bluetooth, but it's kinda buggy, and it doesn't really give you much manual control over your phone's camera. So I like to use an app called Filmic Pro to get most of my shots instead. And if you're into smartphone cinematography, I would totally recommend this app for you. It gives you a lot of control of your camera, and you can achieve some pretty amazing results. However, the DJI app does come in handy when you want to use some of the features it provides. This app allows you to take burst photos, panoramas, or long exposure shots with ease. And I was pretty surprised at how well it worked. Here's an example of a panorama shot I took in downtown Toronto. Now, I'm a pretty bad photographer, so I was pretty amazed because, well, all I had to do was press a button and the gimbal pretty much did all the work for me. Now, the gimbal also comes with a bunch of features for video. This includes being able to record slow motion, a time-lapse, hyperlapse, or motion lapses, and I was surprised at how well it worked. The shots look quite professional, and I really wasn't expecting it from a gimbal of this price point. Another nice touch to the app is motion tracking, and it's quite easy to use. You just need to tap on the object you wish to keep focus on, and the program automatically keeps track of the subject as you film. This makes it really easy to get those nice in-focus motion shots. But it doesn't work as well as I like it to. I found that it works better when tracking objects that are close by or coming towards you, but when you track objects that are going away from you, it starts to lose focus really quickly, and I really hope to see DJI do something about this in the future. When I walk with the Osmo Mobile 2, the shots I get are really steady, but sometimes I get these jello-like shots, and the footage just seems to warp a lot. And I found out that's just my phone's auto image stabilization interacting with the stabilization provided from the gimbal. But nonetheless, I think it's a great piece of gear, and it's something you should definitely get if you're on the market for a smartphone gimbal. I think DJI has done a great job with this gimbal and made it really competitive with this price. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and smash that thumbs up button for more videos.